Welcome to Consumer Flicks, your top source for the latest drone leaks and tech news. Helicopter today, we're diving into the DJI Mini 5 Pro leaks, revealing exclusive images, expected launch date, pricing details, and exciting new features. If you've been waiting for DJI's next-gen mini drone, this is the video for you. Let's get into all the details. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on the latest drone news and reviews. Lighter and more compact design for better portability. DJI Mini 5 Pro. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is expected to refine the already lightweight design of its predecessor, possibly reducing weight while maintaining durability. Compared to the Mini 4 Pro, this model could feature a more aerodynamic build for improved flight efficiency. Its compact size would continue to appeal to travelers and content creators who need a portable drone without sacrificing performance. Upgraded camera with improved low-light performance. The Mini 5 Pro is rumored to feature a larger sensor with better low-light capabilities, delivering sharper images and enhanced dynamic range. Compared to the Mini 4 Pro, this version could introduce an adjustable aperture for more creative control over exposure settings. Improved HDR processing might also enhance both photo and video quality, making it a strong contender for high-end aerial photography. Extended battery life for longer flights. A key upgrade could be a more efficient battery system, providing longer flight times compared to the Mini 4 Pro. DJI might introduce a high-capacity battery option, extending flight duration beyond 40 minutes. Combined with improved power management, this could make the Mini 5 Pro one of the best compact drones for extended aerial filming. Advanced obstacle avoidance and AI flight assistance. With enhanced obstacle detection sensors, the Mini 5 Pro could improve safety during automated flight modes. Compared to the Mini 4 Pro, this model may integrate AI-powered flight assistance, making it easier for beginners to fly in complex environments. Features like active track and intelligent return to home could be more responsive and accurate than ever before. Improved transmission and connectivity for smoother control. The Mini 5 Pro is expected to feature an upgraded transmission system, possibly OcuSync 4.0, for a more stable and extended range. This would provide better control and lower latency, making it ideal for long-distance flights compared to the Mini 4 Pro. Additionally, better integration with DJI's app and live streaming options could improve the user experience. Enhanced smart features for content creators. New creative modes like improved master shots, hyperlapse, and AI-assisted editing could make the Mini 5 Pro even more versatile. Compared to the Mini 4 Pro, this version might introduce more automation for cinematic shots, allowing users to create high-quality content effortlessly. Integration with social media platforms could also be more seamless for instant sharing. Redesigned gimbal for greater stability and flexibility. The DJI Mini 5 Pro could feature an upgraded gimbal system with better stabilization for smoother footage, even in windy conditions. Compared to the Mini 4 Pro, it might allow for a wider range of camera movement, enabling vertical shooting or advanced angles tailored for social media content creation. Weather resistance for more reliable outdoor flights. A more durable and weather-resistant design could make the Mini 5 Pro suitable for flying in light rain or challenging weather conditions. Unlike the Mini 4 Pro, which requires ideal weather for safe operation, this version might include better motor sealing and improved wind resistance, making it a more versatile option for outdoor enthusiasts. Faster charging for minimal downtime. The DJI Mini 5 Pro could introduce an improved fast charging system, allowing users to recharge batteries in a significantly shorter time. Compared to the Mini 4 Pro, this would enable pilots to spend more time flying and less time waiting, making it ideal for travel and professional use. Stronger GPS and precision landing for safer flights. An upgraded GPS module and improved precision landing technology could enhance the Mini 5 Pro's ability to return to its takeoff point accurately. Unlike the Mini 4 Pro, this model might feature dual-band GPS or RTK, real-time kinematics, support, ensuring safer autonomous flights and better performance in areas with weak satellite signals. Enhanced night mode for superior low-light filming. The DJI Mini 5 Pro could feature an advanced night mode, optimizing exposure and noise reduction for crisp footage in low-light conditions. Unlike the Mini 4 Pro, this model might integrate AI-driven scene detection to automatically adjust settings for nighttime cityscapes, star trails, and other dark environments. Modular accessories for customization and expansion. A redesigned body could support modular accessories, allowing users to attach extra batteries, LED lights, or even a compact microphone for aerial audio recording. Compared to the Mini 4 Pro, which has limited expansion options, this feature would make the Mini 5 Pro a more adaptable tool for both hobbyists and professionals. AI-powered subject tracking for dynamic shots. The DJI Mini 5 Pro could introduce an upgraded AI-powered subject tracking system, making it more precise and responsive than the Mini 4 Pro. With improved object recognition, it may seamlessly track fast-moving subjects like cyclists, runners, or vehicles, ensuring cinematic and professional-looking footage. Improved wind resistance for stable performance. Stronger motors and an optimized aerodynamic design could enhance the Mini 5 Pro's wind resistance, allowing it to fly steadily in more challenging weather conditions. Compared to the Mini 4 Pro, this upgrade would ensure smoother footage and better control even in moderate winds, making it more reliable for outdoor filming. Conclusion. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is expected to bring significant upgrades in camera performance, flight stability, battery life, and smart features, making it a strong successor to the Mini 4 Pro. If the leaks are accurate, it will offer improved AI tracking, better low-light performance, and enhanced wind resistance, making it a top choice for both casual users and professional content creators. Thanks for watching Consumer Flicks. Helicopter, are you excited about the DJI Mini 5 Pro? Let us know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more leaks, reviews, and drone updates. See you in the next video.